Welcome back to the channel. Sparsumling Lobster here, your thrifty, nifty hustler. And I am today in the midst of this little rainstorm that we're having, in the process of going through some things in the house and my death pile, as I am a reseller, but I like to do things on the cheap as much as I can within reason. And one of the things I found today was a key fob for this car. Now, I don't know if it goes to this car because it doesn't have the identification numbers on the back for me to look it up, but it does look similar to what this car would be needing or required. Now, you can get these on eBay, Amazon. You can go to the dealer. You go to the dealer, they're going to charge you about $89 for this thing. eBay ranges from $2 to $15. Not sure what Amazon is, but I'm sure if you shopped around, you can find yourself a good deal. Be careful, though, when you order these from overseas. Sometimes they don't come with the proper parts. And the only reason I say that is because I've been reading some reviews on these when I did the research on this. And I went off basically the look. So this one is obviously used. You can tell that the little pictures of the car, and I believe that would have been a horn or a speaker or something like that for where the car alarm goes off. So I did put a new Energizer battery in it. I will put down below the battery size that this FOB took for this particular car. This is a 2006 Ford Expedition, and this is one of the cars that we use on the channel for repairs when we do certain things. So check out the videos that I have in the archives for this car. We've done brakes on this. We've done tune-ups. We've done the evap system. We did a timing chain swap out, which was very, very, very expensive. And, you know, I'd have to say that if this works, this will probably be the easiest thing that this particular company has given us as a community in owning these cars. Everything else has been so complicated and very expensive. So I'm going to be very pleased with the outcome of this if this works. So according to YouTube, now here's what we're going to do. In this case, we are going to unlock the car, and we were going to take the key out. The car's off. We're going to put the key in, and we're going to supposedly turn it 8 times, and on the last time, what's going to happen is that is going to trigger and come back up, and it resets the car and it syncs it up to the fob. So we're going to hopefully have success with that. So here we go. There's the Cadillac. Yes, it sits there. Poor Cadillac. I miss you. So that car's done, by the way, too. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Something didn't happen. But you know what? Life goes on. So here we go. Let's try it anyway. Maybe something happened. We didn't see it. Okay, so let's see. What are we doing here? Oh shoot! Ha ha! How about that? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so obviously something happened where I don't know. I have no idea. From the video that I saw, the doors were supposed to like go down and come back up or something. And, you know, like the band was going to play a song or something crazy like that. But anyway, hey, that's a good turnout for today. So I'm very pleased with that. So, wow, I'm taken back by the fact that that actually worked, and it didn't do what it's supposed to do. This car is possessed. I'm telling you, I have every month there's something going on with this thing. Now, I want to show you something too while we're at it. Earlier today, it said check fuel cap. Check fuel cap. That's the evap system talking to me. I've replaced the fuel cap like 17 times. And I have taken it off recently and recapped it. I've replaced the plunger, I've replaced the valve, the solenoid, whatever else. I've replaced hoses. It's constantly throwing me this ridiculous freaking message on the crystal. Just the other day, we had to put a new battery in it. Check down below and see that one. I'll link that one to this particular video, and you'll see, and I'll link the brakes, and every month it's something with this thing. So I was talking to the wife today. I'm like, God, you know, one of these days, if I ever make any money on YouTube, I'm gonna buy you a Porsche and I'm gonna film driving this thing off a cliff. So anyway, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. And either way, at the end of the day, even if it is raining today, I can still lock my car. Thanks for watching. See ya.